To track your hours in the field, you'll be using the time clock tool. So while you're in the mobile app, you can click on the little clock icon on the top. Here you'll see that you're currently clocked out. Also, on your mobile device, you will most likely see a pop-up that is asking you whether or not JobTread can ping your device to search for your location currently. Anytime that you clock in, clock out, take a break, your device will be pinged to see your location so that your employer can see exactly where you are when you're clocking in. So make sure that you hit allow on that pop-up and then you can continue your clock in. Here I can search for a job. The jobs list is going to show you all of your jobs that are the closest to you at that time. Let's look for a job here that I'd like to clock into. All right, there it is. And then I can choose the code or the budget item that I'd like to track my time against. Now this is beneficial because then when your employers are looking at labor hours versus the budget for the job, they can keep track of where those hours are spent. So here I'm going to say that I'm clocking into framing. Perfect. Now I can add any additional notes that I need to. So here I might say, sorry, I am late. My dog got out. Ew. All right. Now when I'm ready, I can click clock in. Here you'll see that my time is growing, and so I'm currently clocking all my time. I also want to point out that if you are assigned to any scheduled tasks for that day and that job, you'll see them listed here underneath your clock in so you can see exactly what task is at hand. All right, now you can safely close this window, close the app on your phone, and your time will still accrue. When we're ready to take a break, we can click back on our time clock, and now we can choose the orange break button. You'll see within my organization, I have 2 break options. I have a 10-minute break and a 30-minute break. So I'm going to choose my 10-minute break right now. All right, when I go on break, it's going to start counting down my break time. Again, I can close JobTread and it will still continue counting. Then when I revisit JobTread, I can end my break. Perfect. Now let's say that you're doing some work and everything's going well, but then you are called to go to a different job. Well, you can switch your time to that other job so that your labor hours start tracking against the other job's budget. So I'm going to click on my time clock here, and then I'll choose the option to switch. This gives you the choice to switch to another job, or you can also switch to a different budget item or code within that particular job. There we go. And now I'll confirm my switch, and you'll see that I'll continue tracking my time. If you'd like to see the time that was tracked against a particular job, you can then go to that job by navigating to your job directory. And then you can click on the job that you're looking for. So here's my bill residence that I'm currently clocked into. And then I can go to the job menu and click on time. Here I can see all the time that I've tracked for this job. I can also see that currently I'm clocked into the job, but then I also have some pending time that is not approved yet. Furthermore, I also have some approved time that is approved for my paycheck. Now, if you have any questions about each individual time entry, or if you need help editing a time entry, then we recommend contacting one of your JobTread administrators or one of your supervisors at your company so they can make those adjustments for you. If you have any questions about clocking in and out, or if you're hitting any technical issues, then go ahead and contact our support team by emailing support@jobtread.com.